everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to download games while your Xbox is turned off. And this is actually really easy. Let's go up to the top, go to Settings right here and select this. And then go to General, and then go on over to Power Options right here. Now under Power Options, let's go to where it says Sleep. Sleep Mode will allow us to download games while our Xbox is turned off. So just set that up. Now we can go over to the power options right here and choose this. And if we choose the power options, go to where it says keep my console up to date, keep my games up to date, make sure those are check marked, and then you should be good to go. And then we have the auto off timers on the top for your Xbox, but just look at this. And then when you turn off your Xbox now, it should be in the sleep mode where you can download your games and updates. Just go to where it says turn off right here, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.